Hey, Jason Morrell here. Just a quick video to show you how to change the scale on a chart. Sometimes when Excel produces the chart for you, it obviously gives you a default scale, but you may want to change that to a different scale, and here's how. This one, for example, currently runs from 0 through to 120, but if we look at our data, it's only falling in the range kind of 40 to 100 or 110. So I'm going to change the scale to reflect that data range. Firstly, I'm going to right-click one of the numbers on the axis here and choose Format Axis. This displays the panel on the right-hand side with all the options I need. You need to make sure that this option here is selected. So where it says minimum and maximum, we can change these values to 40 and maybe 110, and the chart adapts automatically to that scale. If we hover over this option here, we can see that Jeff's value is actually 99.8. So 100 as a maximum would probably be okay here, in which case all I do is to come here, change that 110 to 100, job done. At the moment, we're currently showing the major grid lines. It's showing lines at every 10 on the scale. If we look at the settings over here, we can also see that the minor settings, the minor units, are 2, but they're not showing here on the chart currently. So if you want to show some more details, go to the plus sign, which shows you chart elements, go down to grid lines, and click the little right arrow, and show the primary minor horizontal grid lines as well. And if you look on your chart, you'll see that those extra lines, those extra grid lines, are now displayed, and it just helps you to compare more closely. While we're here, you'll notice that the units on the scale are showing to one decimal place. So 110.0, 100.0, 90.0, they're all 0.0. There's no real point to showing the 0.0. Over in the right-hand panel, I'm going to collapse the axis options for the time being and open up number. And in here, you can see a property for decimal places. I'm going to reduce that down to 0. If you had a scale that went into the thousands, you may at some point want to use the use 1000 separator. That displays the commas, every group of 3 digits going right to left. So 1000, for example, would show 1,000, the proper way of showing numbers. In this case, it doesn't apply, but you could also do that if it was appropriate. All good.